Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Snapper is a fantastic fish, loved for its mild flavor and beautiful, flaky texture. It's also incredibly versatile, making it a wonderful choice for a healthy, satisfying meal. Many people think cooking fish at home is tricky, but I promise you, with just a few simple tips, you can create a perfectly cooked snapper fillet that rivals anything you'd find in a high-end restaurant. Let's dive in and learn how to make your next meal truly special. Before you even think about cooking, the first vital step is preparing your snapper fillets. Take a few paper towels and thoroughly pat both sides of your fish dry. This removes excess moisture, which is absolutely essential for achieving that beautiful, crispy skin when you pan-sear it, rather than just steaming the fish. Once dry, season generously with just a pinch of salt and some freshly ground black pepper. You can also add a sprinkle of garlic powder or a dash of paprika if you enjoy those flavors. For that perfect restaurant-quality snapper, pan-searing is often the best way to go. Heat a good quality, heavy-bottomed pan over medium-high heat, then add a tablespoon or two of a high smoke point oil. Once the oil shimmers, carefully place your snapper fillets, skin side down, into the hot pan. Cook undisturbed for about 3 to 5 minutes until the skin is golden and crispy and the flesh turns opaque halfway up. Then, gently flip them over and cook for just another 1 or 2 minutes until they are cooked through and flaky. Snapper's mild, clean flavor makes it incredibly versatile for pairing. A simple squeeze of fresh lemon juice right after the fish comes off the heat is truly magical and brightens the entire dish. You can also sprinkle on some fresh herbs like finely chopped parsley, dill, or chives for an extra burst of freshness. For a complete meal, serve your perfectly cooked snapper with a light green salad, some roasted asparagus, or even a simple side of fluffy rice. It really is a versatile protein that pairs well with so many things. The most important tip for cooking snapper, or any fish, is to avoid overcooking. Fish cooks very quickly, so keep a close eye on it. It should be opaque and flake easily with a fork. If you have one, an instant-read thermometer should register 145 degrees Fahrenheit at the thickest part. With these simple steps, you're all set to enjoy a delicious, perfectly cooked snapper fillet right in your own kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.